Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Sunday. In my video today, I will be sharing with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I will walk you through each of these deals individually, as well as show you how I put the deals together to use my Spend 65, get $15 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. I was able to get all of these items not only for free, but I made $4 buying it all. And of course, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section below. If you are brand new to Walgreens or you're confused with shopping at Walgreens, don't forget I have like 5 different tutorials now on different concepts related to saving and shopping at Walgreens, and I break it down super simple for you guys. So definitely check out those tutorials. I will drop them down in the video description box, as well as try to remember to pin them in the comments. Okay, so let's talk about each of these deals individually, and like I said, I'll show you how I put it together. Additionally, at the very end of the video, I will be sharing with you some of the best grocery deals going on at Walgreens this week. I know grocery prices are crazy, so I've been trying to show you what might be a better deal at Walgreens than at your local grocery store, and deals that you can do using your Walgreens cash to pay. Now, I did a couple deals in store because if you've been watching me for a while, you know that right now the Register Reward deals you can't do as curbside anymore. You will not get a Register Reward for a curbside order. So if you want the Register Reward deals, you will either have to do them shipped to your home or do the deals in store. So I'll tell you the deals that I did in store, and then I'll tell you the deals that I did as curbside. Let's start in store. So the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioners, these are 2 for $7. There is a $3 digital coupon, and when you buy 2, you're gonna get $4 in Register Rewards back. I did this in store this morning and it worked beautifully. I paid $4 plus tax at the register and then got a $4 Register Reward back. Now, the other Register Reward deal that you might want to check out, I'm not a huge fan of Register Reward deals because I tend to forget to use my Register Rewards, but I wanted to share it with you in case you love Register Rewards. There's Colgate toothpaste, that's $2.99. You buy 2 of them. Use a $3 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.98 and you'll get back a $3 Register Reward. Now, I did a different Colgate deal that I did as a curbside order because that one was giving Walgreens cash, and that one just made more sense for me because I put together a Spend 65 deal in order to get that $15 back from my digital booster. Okay, let me tell you the curbside deals, but first, why do I do curbside? 1, it's incredibly convenient, but 2, the online prices tend to be cheaper than the in-store prices, and 3, I always go through Rakuten first, so I get a percentage in cash back in my Rakuten account. So I got back $1.37 from this haul in my Rakuten account, and it's there already. So if you're not using Rakuten yet, grab it using my referral link, because when you spend $30 out of pocket, you'll get $30 back in your Rakuten account. So great offer for new users. If you're already using it, don't forget to go through Rakuten first because I know that's easy to do. Okay, let's talk about the Colgate deal. You can do curbside or you can do it online if you want. In store if you want. These Colgates right here are $3.99 each. Okay, buy 2 of them. There is a $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.98 and you will get $4 in Walgreens cash back, which I did. There's also a deal on the Father's Day cards, and this is a curbside only deal. These are priced at $1 online. I got 2 of them because I had a $2 digital coupon, making both of these items completely free. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's not my favorite Father's Day card, but it is a freebie and it helps you get to those spend boosters. Now, the Palm Olive this week is 2 for $2.49. But you can just get one, which is what I did. It's one for $1.24, and there is a $1 digital coupon, making this, 20 ounces, just 24 cents. Now, check and see if you have some of the Just For You coupons. I had a Just For You coupon for $2.50 off any of the Walgreens brand. These maxi pads is 24 count. They're priced at $2.99. That $2.50 coupon came off, making my final cost just 49 cents for this product. Now, there are a couple of deals you can do on the Fabuloso products. There are the wipes as well as the liquid. They're both $2.49, and there are $1 digital coupons for these. So it makes them $1.49 total. I also grabbed the U by Kotex because these are 2 for $5. I had a $2 digital coupon, so I paid $3. But my Fetch Rewards app had an offer for $1 back, making them just 2 for $2 or $1 per pack. Not a bad price, especially if you like the U by Kotex brand. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch Rewards, you're not using that one yet, definitely grab it. Use my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. But they have lots of great offers that change each week, so you'll see new offers popping up. Again, if you want to know how that app works, I have a full tutorial on that app that you can find on my channel. Now, a couple of makeup deals. We had some high value CoverGirl coupons. I had a $4 digital for a face product and a $4 digital for an eye product. So the cheapest eye product I could find was $4.49 online, so it's a curbside deal. Minus that $4 digital, I paid just 49 cents for this. With the CoverGirl powder, these are $4.99. With that $4 digital, I paid just 99 cents. So what I was doing is I was looking for high value digital coupons. That way I lower my out-of-pocket total, trying to hit that spend $65. I didn't want to actually spend $65 in order to get that $15 back. So I'm looking for high value digital coupons that bring my total down. And this number 7 product had a $12 digital coupon. These are $14.99 online. This is the acne treatment, $14.99 online. $12 digital coupon makes it just $2.99. Also, I got these Bic razors. These are $4.99. After the $4 digital coupon, I paid just 99 cents. Now let's talk about the diaper deal because this one involves a store coupon as well as a store promo. So these Love's diapers are $7.49 for a pack. I had a $1 store digital. It was actually a $2 off too, but if you buy one pack, it's gonna take $1 off. There's also a automatic promotional code that takes off 10% on diapers right now, so that took off an additional 65 cents. I was left to pay $5.84. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $2 back for buying the diapers, making my final cost for these diapers just $3.84. Now, a last couple of food items that I did the Vital Proteins deal again. These are $1.89, but I've been submitting my receipt to the Shopkick app and getting back $5.40 from Shopkick, which makes it an amazing deal. If you're not using Shopkick, super simple app to use. Grab it using my referral code SWC5 and you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. I always cash out to gift cards and then use those gift cards to pay for my Walmart or Target shopping. Okay, last deal I did was on the Splenda shakes. These are $7.99. I actually paid $7.99. Then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app where I got $4 back, as well as to Ibotta where I got $2 back, making my final cost just $1.99 for that 6-pack. Now, I did all of these deals with the exception of the Garnier as a curbside order, okay? The final total before coupons was $68.53. Now, my total has to be $65 after Walgreens promotional codes and Walgreens coupons. So I had a $1 Walgreens coupon here, as well as a 65-cent promotional coupon for the diapers. So after that came off, my total's at $66.88. After all of the digital coupons came off, my total was at $30.38. That is what I paid. I got back $15 for spending $65, that was my digital booster. I got back $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I got back $2 on Ibotta for the Splenda. I got back $4 on coupons.com for the Splenda. I got back $1 on Fetch for the Kotex, $2 on Ibotta for the Loves, and $5.40 on Shopkick for the Vital Proteins, making my final cost completely free for all of those items and a $3.02 moneymaker. So that is how I chose to use my digital booster. Now, someone told me months ago, and I didn't even respond. They were like, you're a liar. You don't get Walgreens cash back after coupons with digital boosters. So I wanted to go ahead and pop this up here that shows you can, in fact, spend less than the spend amount after coupons and still get your Walgreens cash back, which I did. I have a complete video on how to do just that. Your total has to be the spend amount after Walgreens coupons and promotional codes, but it can be before the manufacturer coupons. So your total could be way less than the spend amount after those manufacturer coupons come off, and you're still gonna earn your Walgreens cash back from your spend boosters. Now, can you use Walgreens cash to pay for all of this? If you're using a spend booster, no, you cannot do that. And if you want more information on that, watch my video on how to use Walgreens cash on a spend deal. I think that will answer all of your questions about it. Now let's talk about some grocery deals that you might want to take advantage of and you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for. The mac and cheese is only 99 cents this week. The soup is 2 for $5. There is tuna that's 99 cents a can. There's a big pack of water. If you need some bottled water at $4.49, you could use $4 in Walgreens cash to pay for that, paying just 49 cents out of pocket. There's both Snapple at 2 for $4, as well as Mott's apple juice at 2 for $6. Again, you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for those items. The Lay's chips, great price, 3 for $6. I also had an offer on my Fetch Rewards for like spend $25 in Pepsi/Lay's products and get $5 back. So if you have Fetch, you might want to check your offers there. Pringles are just 3 for $4 at Walgreens this week. And then the hot dogs are buy one, get one free. So if you do it as curbside, that comes out to be just $2 per pack of hot dogs. So that's what I saw as being the best grocery deals for the week. Fantastic haul at Walgreens. Everything was free. And after the Rakuten and the boosters, it was over a $4 moneymaker for all of it. Questions or comments, drop them down below. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I will show you clearance pictures of all the items I saw on clearance while I was in the store. Hope you guys have an amazing week. Thanks.